Hello and welcome to SGN Tech Forum. Today in this video, we are going to talk about a product or technology which you can use uh, immediately at your home, right? Many a time, what happened that you are working from home and you feel that your Wi-Fi is slow or Wi-Fi is congested, and you feel like connecting your laptop or your computer to a Ethernet port. But Ethernet port may not be available everywhere, right? Not like in your living room and all the rooms. To run a new wire can be expensive and it can be tedious task, right? So what is the solution? There is a solution already talked about and in market. It also surprised me as well, right? Because I was in the same situation, wanted more Ethernet port, but didn't wanted to go through the whole pain of like running fresh Cat 5 cable, concealing it within the wall, and I cannot leave it open. Otherwise, some kids may trip over it, right? So I started looking um on internet. I knew that you can run your Ethernet over electrical circuit, but I never knew that there is a product available in market. And to my surprise, I found one, and it is much inexpensive as well, right? So the technology called Powerline over Ethernet, that means running Ethernet data traffic over electrical wiring, household electrical wiring, right? And this is not a new technology. This has been talked about from many years. We have seen how to run uh, internet over telephone, over cable TV, and yes, you can run it over electrical wiring as well. But uh, you may ask, right, how the electrical signals are not interfering with data? What is going on under the hood, right? So that's where I am trying to explain here on the screen. Data signal is superimposed on low frequency power signal, as both signal use the same wiring at time. Electrical signals are sent at 50-60 hertz and wiring attenuate at much higher frequency, and wiring attenuates, right? So you need much higher frequency for higher data rate. But even today, there are solutions available which can run 100 Mbps over electrical wiring, household wiring. All right, so let me introduce you to the product by unboxing it. I'll quickly play a video, and then we will see how to use this demo, how simple this product is available to use, right? So this is the product, TP-Link Powerline Starter Kit. I bought this. It comes with a pair of AC plug, and the box itself explain the complete technology. This is pure plug and play, no software, firmware, anything needed. Though TP-Link provide you a software to manage and do some extra stuff like QoS and security, right? So let's unbox it and see what to expect. So this is the very basic kit. There are higher end models available where AC plug not just have the Ethernet or RJ45 connection, but also have a Wi-Fi card on it. But anyways, I'm not interested in that. I just wanted a Ethernet. So that's why I ordered this. You have quick installation guide, and this is the plug. Looks like normal plug, same AC uh, uh, outlet, but bottom you can see there is a RJ45 connection available and the couple of LEDs and a pair button which is used to pair the data. All right, so this is about the video, and let's go to uh, the product. So this is the Amazon link. I'm going to put it in description. This is no sponsorship or no promotion. This is purely from my experience, right? So if you like, you can buy it. And this is the TP Link website. Go to that website, put your uh, product product ID, and then you can do a couple of things here. You can watch the setup video, like I'm making one. Uh, you can have FAQ. I highly advise you to go through the FAQs, and then you can download firmware. Yes, these plugs do have firmware which you can upgrade time on time. The last but not least, the very cool thing is the utility. And this utility is very lightweight software application to control your uh, Powerline Ethernet. And this is the fantastic interface. Though the plugs are pure plug and play. That means you really don't need any software or anything. Just put it in one socket and put it in another socket, connect both sides via wire, and you are all set. But this software is very good and it can do some extra stuff here. So as you can see, I have installed this TP-Link software. There are a couple of things. You can add device manually. You can secure device. That means you can secure two devices. You can turn on and turn off the LED, and then some usage tip. Obviously, you can refresh the screen, right? So this is pure plug and play. One of the plug is already plugged in outlet, and it has a RJ45 connected from my switch. Thus, and as soon as I connect it, it appears here. Okay, I don't have to do anything. And as you can see, this is powered on, and there are a couple of things you can do here, basic stuff, like you can turn on and off LED, you can reset it, and you can watch the version, other things. You can also rename it, obviously. Let me refresh. Okay, no need to refresh, but the advanced, this is the coolest part. So you can do quality of service. You can prioritize type of traffic running over Powerline Ethernet. How cool is that, right? I don't know how perfect it works, but given providing you the option itself, I find it like really cool. Then you can update your firmware and you can go into power saving mode. All right, so I do have one already connected. What I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly go and connect the second one. And before I do that, let's do one quick test. So as you can see, I'm connected right now via Wi-Fi. Yes, you can see I'm connected via Wi-Fi. And what is my IP address? 103 is my IP address. So let me disconnect Wi-Fi, and I'm going to go connect the AC outlet and connect the cable to my laptop. Hang on. And I am back. Let's see. Do I have any other IP addresses? Yes, you can see right now I am on 125 and I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. I'm actually connected using that. What happened to TP-Link software? All right, perfect. My second plug outlet is here. You can see the same options, and look at this. Check this out. This yellow interface, which actually tell you the rate. The anything in yellow is greater than 50 Mbps. Right now I'm at 51 Mbps, and anything in red, if it is red, that means it's less than 50 Mbps. Fantastic, right? Uh, you can do security also, which I'm going to set up later. Uh, if you are interested, you can download this guide from TP-Link utility guide, and it can help you to set up QoS, manage your whole Powerline network. That means if you have more than two plugs, you can manage that, who will pair with whom, and like that. And also you can secure them, updating firmware and all those things. So this is what I wanted to show you, and I did some practical test. That means my Thousand Eyes agent, when it is connected directly to switch, not on power line. I did a quick test on a speed net server, which is closest to me. Uh, Available bandwidth is nearly 48. So my capacity versus available bandwidth, 48 Mbps. This is a screenshot from TP-Link. And then uh, as I then what I did, I connected my the same Raspberry Pis. I'm running the same test, and I want to see what is the performance implication. So performance implication looks like it got some drop, maybe the transient, it may improve uh, afterwards. So here I see almost like 1/3 of the drop, right? But on my laptop, I don't see that kind of like performance impact. So still my upload and download pretty much is the same. So I don't see any performance impact, much of that. It's only getting better. And I love the fact that we have Ethernet available anywhere in the inside the house. And I hope you like the video, and maybe you will also start using it. If you use it, please let me know. Thank you for watching.